and welcome to Ready Set Demo, the place for classes, inspiration and all things Stampin' Up for Stampin' Up demos all around the world. My name's Liz Shannon, if you don't know me, and I've been running Ready Set Demo for some time. Now, I've popped on today because June is a very special month for me. It's my birthday month, and this year, goodness knows how, I'm turning 60. So it's given me time to think about my life to this point, and the thing that stands out when I think about it is gratitude. Gratitude for my lovely husband, Michael, of 30 plus years, for my family and friends, and of course for you, my Ready Set Demo friends. Over the years, your support has meant the world to me. Whether you've bought classes, shared kind words, or just cheered me on, you've helped me make Ready Set Demo what it is today. So I have a little birthday gift for you. Well, I'm taking a little bit of time out during the month of June, not the whole of June, but some of June. I thought I would give you a little gift. For the whole month, you can have all my £12 classes for just £9.60. That is a 20% discount. So, for example, in the US, the classes would be $12.75 instead of about 16, depending on exchange rates. The 20% also applies to my mega classes, my big £36 classes. You'll get 20% off those as well. All you need to do is, when you check out, use the code Liz60 for 20% off all your classes, however many you choose to order. I'll put a link down below where you can see all of the classes. And thank you again for your support. I'm off to go and have some birthday fun. Bye.